Now in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can watch a movie and charge your phone at the same time using a really innovative charger from Sharge. This is the Sharge ICEMAG 3. And this charger right here has really cool capabilities. First of all, the basic thing, it could charge your phone, really important. And it does it using MagSafe tech. It also has a built-in USB-C cable, right? So not only will it charge your phone, but guess what? It could charge another device at the same time. And then what I really like about it is that it could serve as a kickstand. So if you're watching a movie, you're running out of power, you don't have to worry. All you have to do is put this on the back, continue to watch your movie, and guess what? It will charge and you'll be able to stream at the same time. Let's go ahead and check it out. Now, the IceMag 3 power bank gives you, again, wireless charging, and it also has some really cool features that kind of light up. Now, the capacity for the charger is 5,000 milliamp hours. And let's take a look at it. I'm going to go ahead and bring it here on camera because I think it's really cool. At first, when I looked at this, I thought it looked like a camera. Just the overall look. Check it out. Doesn't it look like if it's a camera? I put a little sticker on there just to make sure it doesn't disappear on me because my chargers tend to disappear. So here what we have is, again, this, which looks like if it was a camera, is actually the kickstand. So check it out. And then this lights up and provides cooling. So your phone, obviously, if you're streaming and you're charging at the same time, sometimes it's inevitable for it to, get a little hot. This is going to help. It's going to be cooling itself. So you're not going to be able to get, again, have to deal with that kind of heat. Over here, you'll notice that you have your charging spot, right? And then over here, what looks to be a lanyard or something for your wrist is actually a USB-C charging cable. Look at it right there. So you have a couple of charging options, right? So you could actually charge something on the side and then actually charge your phone. So I'm going to take my Fold, wipe it down a little bit before I put it on camera, and I'm going to put it right here. And as soon as I put it here, you'll notice it says charging. And this is fast wireless charging, which is really, really good. So you want that fast wireless charging. Now on the side, you'll notice that you have your fuel gauge. You notice that you have your fuel gauge, and then you could see that there is that fan internally running, keeping the battery cool. And let's face it, a cool battery means faster charging, longer charger. It also improves the battery health itself, because typically batteries go bad over time because of heat, right? Heat is the enemy of all power sources. So what you get is cooling, and that's going to extend the longevity of the actual battery itself. Now, I can keep the phone like this. I could also then, if I want to rotate my phone, I could put it like this and it's still going to charge, right? So I can have it in this mode. With the Fold, given that you can open it up, we can have a full-size tablet, right? And I've been trying to see, what other, positions I can have it in. And I could do something like this. This is really cool for me because, again, I could charge my phone and I can actually watch a movie at the same time. And given the size of the Fold, that is maximum viewing. Now, if you have a iPhone Max, this is going to work. This is going to work with any Qi charging device. And even if your device doesn't have Qi charging capability, as long as you have that little Qi charging, magnetic circle thing, it's going to work. Matter of fact, this case is a magnetic charging case, and that's how I'm able to charge this here. Now, if I want to be able to, let's say, charge it through cable, I can do it as well. And what we're going to do is we're going to look for the fast charging message to come up. So I'm going to put it here, and let's see what this says for us. As I plug it in, Okay, I did. And it's charging. You see the little lights come up. And right there it says it's fast charging. Now, it's not super fast charging, so that's one thing I'd highlight, but you are getting fast charging capabilities. I really like this little battery. I actually used it at CES, and it came in really, really handy because, again, I was recording and I could just slap it on the phone and continue to record. It's not that thick when you look at it right here. And if I compare it to my Fold, you can see them side by side. You can see it's almost the same thickness of the Fold. The Fold is slightly thinner, which is a good thing, but you could see what's going on here. And again, what you can do also, I want to highlight this right here, is that you can actually charge this at the same time that it's charging. So you can use this as a pass-through. So you're in a hotel room and you want to be able to use this as a kickstand, right? Or you're in a, let's say you've had lunch and you're having lunch at your desk. You can actually plug this in, have your phone charging, and then charge it at the same time. So it has this pass through. And matter of fact, as you're doing the wireless charging on your phone, you could be charging another device and then having power coming in. So it's going to give you a lot of flexibility. So guys, that wraps up our review. See you in the next video.